Hi everybody, welcome to Real Estate Investing Adventures. Why? Because real estate is fun and it's always an adventure. I'm your host, Joe Jurek. If you're a return guest, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Who the heck am I? I'm a real estate investor that has the ability to travel all over the country, work with people just like you that are trying to get started in real estate or take their real estate investing to the next level. In this video, I'm going to talk about my playlist for tips for people that are beginning in real estate, for people that are trying to get started and get going with real estate. I remember way back when how tough it was trying to get started, even just finding the time to do real estate part-time. Now I know a lot of you out there are doing it part-time or want to do it part-time. You eventually want to do it full-time, and I can't blame you because my happiest day was leaving corporate America. It felt like the sky was bluer, the grass was greener, and I will not forget that day, let me tell you. I want you all to experience that as well. Now, part of the thing is, a lot of you want to learn how to do this, but sometimes you encounter people that don't share the information, or they don't share everything. Or you'll even find people that are negative because maybe they're just plain negative, or they want to be negative to discourage you. So it's one less competitor that they got to deal with. And I think that's horrible, but it's almost ironic that that happens. I see it a lot, okay, sometimes even out on different, what do I want to call, blogging posts or things of that nature, where people will just sometimes make you a little bit discouraged. And I don't want to do that. I want to fire you up. I don't want you to be frustrated. I don't want you to have fear. I don't want you to have stress. So in this tips for beginners trying to do real estate, I'm trying to put everything I can into it, motivational things, but I will have a motivational playlist as well. But mainly it's going to be tips on what you can do to get going, to get started, to go faster, to get to where you want to be. So I hope you enjoy this playlist. I'm going to have a golden nugget for you at the end, but before I get there, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you go down here and do that. If you want to be notified when I put out new videos, there's a bell at the top. Be sure to press that bell and that will notify you. And please leave comments and questions. A lot of people feel that I wish I had somebody that I could ask a quick question. Feel free to put a comment down there in the bottom here with a question, and I'd be happy to answer it for you, as well as if you give the thumbs up, share the video, that's always appreciated as well. So the golden nugget here is you really need to focus on one thing in real estate, one strategy, and one area. As I work with a lot of people, they're all over the board. They want to do 10 different things, 10 different cities, and that's okay, but they don't have what I call that laser line focus. So here's what I would ask you to do. Really sit down after this video and put a pen to paper and say, what strategy do I want to do in real estate, and what area am I going to start with? Now you can grow from there, but I want you to be the best that you can be at that strategy in that local area. Now, how could you narrow it down? By zip code. Pick one zip code or two zip codes and learn them cold, okay? And really work those areas. And that's gonna help you stay what I call laser line focused. So I hope you enjoy the play series. Get out there and make your dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye. Do it now, believe and achieve. Take care. Yeah!